How to connect your major star airdrop withdrawal address successfully. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into an important topic that a lot of people have been struggling with: how to properly connect your withdrawal address for a major crypto airdrop. Airdrops are exciting opportunities in the crypto space, but if you don't follow certain steps correctly, you could miss out on receiving your token. Stick around as I walk you through the process and clear up some common misconceptions. Now, let's talk about wallet connections for airdrops. When you hear the term connect your wallet, many people assume that this means you'll automatically be able to withdraw your airdrop tokens, but that's not necessarily the case. Connecting your wallet is a crucial step, but it's not the final one. This connection is often part of the airdrop's verification process, similar to a KYC procedure, even though it's not exactly the same. It's about proving that you're a real user and not a bot. Unfortunately, a lot of people overlook this step or misunderstand its importance, and I've seen this happen with several previous airdrops. For instance, in the dogs airdrop, many users missed out on their tokens simply because they didn't connect their wallet properly. So let's avoid those mistakes. Here's how to correctly connect your wallet for your major crypto airdrop. Follow these steps carefully. First, you need to navigate to the section that says Claim Your Rank. This is usually the area where you'll initiate the wallet connection process. Once you're in that section, look for the Wallet Connect option. It's crucial that you click this to begin the process. You'll typically have a couple of options for which wallet to connect. In this case, you can choose between T-Keeper or your Telegram wallet. Select the one that's most convenient for you. After selecting your wallet, let the page load. This step may take a few seconds, so be patient. Once it's loaded, you'll see the Connect button. Go ahead and click that. After this, you should be taken back to your wallet interface, confirming that the connection is successful. Now, it's important to note that if your wallet connection isn't successful, you won't be able to move forward. After you've connected your wallet, you should see a confirmation message or screen. If this confirmation doesn't appear, or if it looks like the process didn't complete, you'll need to reconnect. Don't skip this. If for any reason the connection fails or doesn't register, don't panic. Simply repeat the steps. Sometimes it takes more than one try for the connection to be recognized. Now that your wallet is connected, you may have the option to update other details. For example, you might be able to change your NFT status. This is completely optional and up to you. If you want to display or hide certain profile information like your Telegram profile from other major miners, you'll find the option to do so. While this feature exists, I don't think it's a must-do. However, if privacy is a concern for you, it's worth considering. Before we wrap up, let me show you an extra feature that can help you increase your airdrop earnings. There's a game section that you can access after connecting your wallet. Here, you can play certain mini-games that will actually help boost your airdrop rewards. One game, in particular, that I want to highlight is Hoodcoin. It's super simple. All you have to do is hold the circle on your screen, and while it's reading, you're earning additional tokens. The longer you hold, the more you earn. It's a fun way to rack up some extra airdrop rewards while you wait for the official distribution of your token. And there you have it. You now know how to connect your withdrawal address properly for your major airdrop and can even maximize your rewards by playing some fun games. Remember, the wallet connection step is critical. It's about more than just withdrawing tokens. It's about verifying that you are an actual participant. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on any update. I'll be sharing more tips and tricks to help you navigate the crypto world and keep you updated on the latest airdrops. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Stay tuned for more valuable insights and information on upcoming crypto events. Thanks again, and until next time, happy airdropping.